Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the green flags you need to be looking out for when you're looking to buy a coin on Pump.Fun. Before we start, I want to jump in and say a massive thanks for all the support you've been showing on the channel recently. We're currently on 184 subscribers. If you are new here, hit subscribe and let's get right into today's video. So, tip number one, you're looking for a coin that is not AI generated images. So look for a coin that has a good, unique, authentic value towards it. So something that has a bit of trending value, you know, for example the Bowden coins, they've been trending a lot recently, so something is similar towards a Bowden coin, that's something to look for and potentially buy. So look out for AI generated images, use your line of sight and just be able to say this coin is a good coin and this coin is not a good coin, and you make that judgment based upon the trending values and how good the image is itself. Step number two, go into their Twitter, go into their Telegram, go into their website, see how good it is. If they've got a great website, then you know that that developer has put money into the project and he doesn't have intentions just to rug pull it the second he gets some momentum. So check out all of them socials. Also, you want to look at the actual likes that a developer has done on the Twitter, because if the developer has a few likes on previous coins, that's potentially a red flag, as it could potentially mean that they were one of the founders of that previous coin and you maybe don't want to get involved in it because the developer has a track history of rug pulling projects. Step number three, join up their Telegram, see what the community is like. You need a good active community within there. For example, you want the community to be pushing 0.01 buys, you want the community to be making memes, you want the voice chat to be open on Telegram so you can see everybody talking and everybody's adding bullish momentum. If these things are not met, do not buy the coin. Now, another one which is proven to be absolutely vital towards the success of a coin is the developer is prepaying the DEX screener banner. If the developer prepays the DEX, it gives confidence to the community that the developer is in it for the long haul and he doesn't have intentions just to sell the coin the second there is a bit of momentum. So always be pushing the developer to prepay the DEX, and if he's not willing to do that, do not invest in the coin. There's been often times in the past though where I have invested in coins where the developer has not prepaid the DEX and it still went to radium, but you want to make sure that you can verify all the possible ways that you can. So this is a big way to make sure that you can get the developer on board and make sure that he's legit. Another thing to do on Telegram, if you go onto the developer's profile and he has different images on his profile previously and they all look kind of similar, like they look like they are from a different coin, then you potentially don't want to get involved, because this could mean that the developer has started coins previously and he has rug pulled the coins previously under a different alias. So make sure you do the checks on Telegram if you can. Another green flag that you should check for is if you go into the coin and you go into Pump.Fun, you can see how much percentage the developer holds. If the developer holds any more than 5%, then that's a bit of a red flag, to be honest, because the developer has a lot of tokens, he's in it for the cash potentially. It's not always a red flag, but you should keep your eyes open, see what percentage the developer is holding. You should also have a look at Sol Scan and see if the developer has moved coins about, because that could potentially mean he has 3 or 4 different wallets. So for example, if you went on there and the developer only had 2%, go into Sol Scan, see his transaction history and see if he has sent coins to different places, and if he has 3 or 4 different wallets, that's a red flag. You also want to watch out for copycat coins, because when a good coin gets launched and it has a good community and a good developer, then there's a good potential there that scammers and rug pullers are going to go on there, copy all the social links, copy his profile picture and post the same coin, hoping some silly idiots will jump in and then they'll lose their money because that person is not running that coin actually. And another good one to add, if the developer is on the Telegram and he's in the voice chat talking, that is a bullish sign. Okay, so check for them bullish signs. Let's run over them again. Prepaying the DEX screener is a massive one, that is really bullish. Next one, developer talking in the voice chat on Telegram. Third one, the socials look good and the art looks good and there's a good bullish momentum from the community, people doing them 0.01 buys, bump it to the front of Pump.Fun. They are the key signs you need to be looking out for when it comes to investing in coins, and if you can afford to check all of them steps, you have a good chance of potentially not getting rug pulled and skipping out some of them bad actors. So do the check, and if you did enjoy this video, hit like, hit subscribe and stay up to date as well. I'm actually creating a strength group on Telegram which is going to have multiple different people who I know within the community who are legit and trusted and have a good record for actually holding coins that they produce, and also have a good record of being involved in good coins. So I'll add you to that group. There'll be a link to it down in the description below. Feel free to join there and I'll see you in the next one.